You know what time it is. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
All right, homies and homettes, full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. So let me walk you through this workout. We're doing chest and back today. I kept everything relatively light, just focused on form and getting a good pump, okay? So check it out. We started off with back first. Doing some seated cable rows, taking our time and milking these reps, okay? Hey fam, summer right around the corner. Anybody looking for an online coach, you already know, hit me up at beastmode316.com. All right? So after we do the seated cable rows, we're doing one arm low rows by hammer strength. Look, there's a lot of new machines out here, and I've tried some of them. Some of them are great, but let me tell you, man, hammer strength still one of my favorites. I like the simplicity, and quite frankly, it's just familiarity. You know, it's gonna be really hard for somebody to top hammer strength for me. It's just been around for so long, and I love the brand, okay? Great back machines. Speaking of great back machines, another hammer strength machine right here, the Row. I like how it has multiple hand positions. We're doing the high hand position, focused on upper back, really squeezing, connecting with every rep, taking time, making the sweetest love. All that pausing is gonna pay off when you cut down. You'll see the lines, you'll see those cuts. So here we are finishing off back with some pull-ups, okay? As you see, Shawna went slightly outside shoulder width. You see her banging it out, and keep in mind, she did rows first, not bad. I'm going super wide, taking my time, milking those reps. Nope, I'm not standing on nothing. That form crispy, I know, crispy. Like I'm standing on something. You gotta become one with the pull-up bar, okay? So before we jump off chest, we're gonna warm up with these dumbbells. As you see, we're on the decline bench, and I'm doing some decline flies with dumbbells. Now look at the details. Look at my palms, look at the wrist. Look at that external rotation. I'm really opening up these shoulder blades and getting a damn good pump in my chest too, I might add. Look at that stretch. You know, I've been doing dumbbell pullovers for years, but this right here is a great variation to getting rotation. Like I said, fam, we got new tips coming for y'all in the future. Y'all stay tuned. As you see, Shawna getting a nice loaded stretch on those tendons and ligaments, okay? This is called bodybuilding. You know, for whatever reason, some people just focus on those superficial muscles, but you know, we do have ligaments, we do have tendons, we do have fascia, we also have a brain, so constantly practicing your form is important. So this is a light day, but as you see, I'm going super deep. Look how deep I'm going. I'm going super deep. Like the Hodge twins used to say, balls deep. Taking advantage of those light weights and really stretching, letting my tendons, letting my ligaments get that stress so they can get stronger. So when I'm banging at them heavy weights, it's really gonna feel a little easy on the body, okay? So like I said, I mix it up. I have heavier days, I'll have lighter days. There's some days where I do both. I'll pyramid, I'll start light and go heavier every set. I mix it up, because I understand this is bodybuilding. You know, them light days, I think a lot of people are sleeping on those light days. It's really good for practicing your form, giving your body a break, you know, giving your bones a break from the heavier weights. You know, keep in mind, heavy weights do stretch the whole body, stretch the nervous system, stretch the bones. So light weights is a good way to kind of take a little stress off your body, work on your form. You can take your body through those weird, awkward angles, really work on your joints, mobility. You know, I like having light days, fam, especially as an older lifter. Okay, so here we are finishing off with the Pec Fly Machine. Trying to make some sweet love. Taking my time. As you see, it's all mental. It's all mental. You gotta really connect. You gotta really connect. Shawna's a pro at this one right here. She told me she really liked this Pec Fly right here. I personally like those Pec Flies where I got my hands grabbing something, okay? So after finishing off the chest and back workout, just did a little posing. This is a great way to connect with your body. Notice how in yoga, they do a lot of holds, they do a lot of poses. In the art of bodybuilding, our discipline, we got poses too. So here we are, you know, get a little practice in, playing around, connecting with the body. This was a light day, so I wanted to finish off with a little light posing, squeeze my muscles. Fam, y'all be sure to comment below, give me a like. Let me know what y'all think. Tap in with your brother, I'm here, baby. See you at the next video, and as always, thank you for your support. Bam.
We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.